Today we're doing a stovetop apple crisp recipe. Again, follow Alicia from Alicia Life Journey. Like and subscribe to my channel. You need Gala Apples. You need lemon juice. You need some butter, cinnamon, brown sugar. You need oatmeal and some walnuts. So first you're going to cut your apples into 4. Peel the skin off, cut into cubes. You can do 4 apples, but I did like 8. So I'm just chopping, cutting the stem out, skinning it, and then I'm throwing it in a bowl of lemon juice to keep it from turning color. So next, in this skillet, you get butter. You get 2 tablespoons of butter, salted or unsalted. You throw it in your skillet. You add in a tablespoon of brown sugar, light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You throw your apples in the skillet, and you mix it all together. So right now, that's what I'm doing. I already had put the butter, cinnamon, and the brown sugar in. Now I'm just throwing in the apples. So I'm just going to mix it really good. So now what I'm doing is you put it on medium to low heat. And it smells so good. It's like it's caramelizing. You can smell the cinnamon and the sugar melting together with the butter. And the apples is like a great sweet aroma. Now put a lid on so your apples can simmer for about 7 minutes, and that way it's soft. So 7 minutes is up. See how that smells. So now I'm doing the toppings. I just put in the butter, the oats, and then I put in brown sugar. Mix it all together. So what I did, I just added like a tablespoon of butter, adding a 1/4 cup of walnuts. And then you can change it up to the way you like. I personally like butter because butter makes things taste better. So I added more butter. I added more brown sugar to it because I like it smelling sweet and tasting sweet. So here it goes. They're all nice and toasted. It's delicious. It's sweet. It's buttery. And now we're going to serve it. So we're just going to scoop this, put the apples in the bowl, and sprinkle it with the toppings. And there you go, guys. A stovetop apple crisp, and it's so delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.